Hey, it's Scott. Just wanted to remind you to go ahead and sign up for the Pickleball Masterclass while you still have time. One of the reasons that people have not signed up for the class is they wonder if an online training class can actually help them improve their game. What we have found is that repetition is one of the key factors to remembering things. So when you have the opportunity to review this online training over and over and over again in the safety and comfort of your own home, it actually becomes even more beneficial than going to a clinic or attending a camp. What I mean is you can watch Daniel and I do the demonstrations and show you the drills, go to the court, practice them yourselves, and come back and review so that you not only get one or two things out of, for example, a camp or clinic, but you can make it a continual learning process. We've taught tens of thousands of people in dozens of countries and had rave reviews. Daniel and I are two of the top, not only pro players in the game, but instructors in all of pickleball. This is proven, systematic method that will be yours for your lifetime. One of the best investments you can make. So don't waste any more time. Go ahead and click the link below and order the masterclass. I look forward to seeing you on the inside of the training course.